Can you become a surgical tech online? There are no 100% online surgical tech programs. However, there are hybrid programs for online surgical tech courses along with hands-on clinical training. How to become a surgical tech? You can go to a community college and get an associate's degree in surgical technology, or you can go to a vocational school and get a diploma in surgical technology. There are also many online hybrid programs that you can look into. One thing to keep in mind is that most employers prefer to hire surgical techs who have graduated from an accredited program. What do surgical tech do? Surgical technologists, also known as surgical technicians, are members of the surgical team who work under the direction of a surgeon to help prepare the operating room and surgical instruments and equipment, and to assist during surgery. They must also be able to work under pressure and be able to handle blood and other body fluids. They may also be responsible for cleaning and sterilizing surgical equipment. Surgical technologists may specialize in one type of surgery, such as cardiac surgery, or they may work in a variety of surgical specialties. Medical surgical technology is a critical field in the growing medical industry. To become a surgical tech, you need to complete an accredited surgical technology program. If you are interested in becoming a surgical tech, it is important to research the different programs and find the one that is best suited for you.